Hi, I'm Rihanna, this is Ethan and Nathan, and we'll be discussing Site 1.
Section 1 of the stream is made up of a riffle, pool, and a riffle, but Section 1 has a few issues we would like to tell you about. The first issue we have is the eroded banks. Other problems you could see in the stream is lack of vegetation and lack of buffers.
So bank erosion is a problem that happens often in parts of our streams. What causes our stream bank erosion could be a result of steep hills around the streams, lack of bank vegetation, and human impacts. Erosion damages the fish habitat by either suffocating the fish eggs or not letting the eggs stick to the rocks because the eggs are covered in silt. Bank erosion also increases the width of the stream, which will then slow down the water and make it warmer. As you guys can see, these are major issues that would need to be addressed. One of the ways we could do this would be to slope back the bank to 45 degrees. We would do this by bringing in heavy equipment and pushing dirt back to the right angle. To stop the erosion, we would bring in root wads. Root wads are dead trees with their exposed trunks and roots, which are used to prevent bank erosion by redirecting the water away from the bank, which will also increase the speed of the flow and drop the temperature.
Another issue we have is overhang vegetation. Overhang vegetation can be a good or a bad thing. The stream needs it to be at a cool temperature, which some species need to survive, and so plants don't overgrow and choke out everything else. But if there's too much of it, then plants in the water will die from lack of sunlight, which means there will be less food. Therefore, less life in the stream altogether. A stream needs 75 to 80% of overhang vegetation to provide everything properly. Here, we do not have enough vegetation covering the water, so it is much warmer than it should be. Fish aren't getting as much cover as they should be. The solution for not enough overhang vegetation would be to plant more trees or large bushes to help cover more of the stream.
Lack of buffer strips. Buffer strips are areas along a stream that prevent pollution and sedimentation from getting into our streams. They are made up of trees and shrubs and usually used along farmlands to prevent pollution from getting into our streams. They also filter pesticides. Because buffer strips are made up of different types of vegetation, they also help stabilize the bank of the stream, which cause less erosion. Some ways buffer strips could be increased would be by having farmers leave more room in between their field and their stream. A 3-zone buffer strip should be at least 10 meters wide. This would help loss because there would be a lot less runoff going into the stream. Streams provide many upstream and downstream benefits. They protect against floods, filter pollutants, recycle potentially harmful nutrients, and provide food and habitat for many types of fish. These streams also play a critical role in maintaining the quality and supply of our drinking water, ensure a continual flow of water to surface waters, and help recharge underground aquifers. As a community, we need to protect these streams to keep our aquatic ecosystems healthy. Thank you for listening.